Environ Property Services is an award-winning company and which trusted trader.
Property development and management is a very specialist and niche subject. You need to ensure weeks before that you have all of your tradesmen all on time and working together.
Our tailored integrated online systems ensure we have a seamless delivery on all the trades you would experience using from Environ Property Services.
With rat jobs, we need the drainage department. With proofing jobs, we need the maintenance department. So we kind of have to dip our fingers in a lot of different pies.
It's imperative that we have all the services needed to complete the works.
We very often get calls from clients that try to manage the properties themselves and they come into unavoidable delays and the job's going on and this may be a property they need to lease out, they need to sell it. The reason why we feel we have the best tradesmen in the job is we have in-house training. We teach people about our values and how important it is that we provide the best possible service for our clients. We have the best tradesmen for a reason.
Ricky and Terry are amazing to work for. They care about what's going on, they care about us, and they care about what we're putting out there. I think they're very well driven, which helps motivate the rest of us.
We have fantastic customer retention, and the reason being is we provide the best possible service for our clients.
I've been at Chelsea for 31 years. I'm the grounds manager. Terry takes his role very, very seriously. He comes down and sees me twice, 3 times a month to make sure everything's rolling. He's very serious about his job. We're a Premier League club and we expect a Premier League service, and Environ are that Premier League service.
Environ Property Services, big enough to cope and small enough to care.